Okay, question number 18. The question says that a particle starts from rest at O. This is the starting point, and particle is moving and move in a straight line where acceleration is given to me by 8 minus 4t, where t is the time after passing O. Okay. Now they are saying the particles comes to rest at A. At A, the velocity of particle is 0 at point A, right? So first thing is that they are saying I have to find time at which the body is at A. So how will I find it? I will take velocity equals to 0. When velocity will be 0, I will be able to find the equation of the value of t. Okay, right. Now, first of all, I have to find v. So in order to find v, I'm going to integrate 8 minus 4t with respect to time. 8t minus 4t square over 2 plus c. Okay. Now, they were saying that the body has started from rest at point O. So what will I do? First of all, I've simplified this equation, right? After that, first thing, at t equals to 0, velocity was 0. Because body has started from rest, it means that t equals to 0, velocity was 0. Okay? So, putting 0 over here, 8, 0, 2, 0, whole square plus c. So, the value of c is coming 0. So, what will be the velocity equation? That will be v equals to 8t minus 2t square. Okay. Now I have to find at A what was the time, and at this time again the velocity was at rest. So 0 equals to 8t minus 2t square. 0, 2t common, 4 minus t. When I will simplify it, t equals to 0 and t equals to 4. These are my two answers coming. This was the starting point which I have taken over here to get the value of c. So the second time where my velocity was 0 is t equals to 4, and at t equals to 4 the body was at A, right? Now coming to B part written. In B part, they are saying find the distance OA. So again, at I have to find distance OA, right? When time is given to me as, of course, to reach A, 4 seconds was being used, so I'm going to use t equals to 4. Now, displacement equals to integral of 8t minus 2t square with respect to time. I'm integrating velocity equation to get my displacement, integrating it 8t cube, 8t square over 2 minus 2t cube over 2 plus c. Cancelling it, 4t square minus 2t cube over 2 plus c. Okay, nothing is being given about the displacement at the starting point. So we always consider that at t equals to 0, body was also at, displacement was also 0. So when I will simplify it, 0 equals to 4, 0 square minus 2, 0 cube over 2 plus c. So the value is coming, value of c is coming 0, right? Simplifying it, displacement equation will be what? S equals to 4t square minus, this is 3 beta, okay, minus 2t cube over 3, and the c will be 0, so I'm not writing it. Okay, so now I have to find displacement at t equals to 4. So at t equals to 4, s equals to 4 square minus 2, 4 cube over 3. S equals to 4 square will be 16, 16, 4, 64 minus, this will be 64 into 2 will be 128 over 3. I will simplify it further and I will have my final answer. So this will become 192 minus 128 over 3, S equals to, this is coming 64 over 3, and then we can write it in 21 whole number 1 over 3 meter. That will be your answer of B part. Okay. Okay. Now C part of the question is saying that I have to find the maximum speed of the particle. I have to find the maximum velocity of the particle or the speed of the particle, maximum speed of the particle during its motion from O to A. Okay, so how will I find maximum speed? So we know that beta ki when body is accelerating, velocity is increasing. Okay, when acceleration comes to rest, when acceleration is not comes to rest, when acceleration is 0, when acceleration is not there, acceleration becomes 0, velocity becomes constant. Okay. After that, when acceleration will be decreasing, the velocity will be, when acceleration will be negative, means we are having a deceleration over there. So what do we say in this one? That when we have to find maximum velocity, basically what we have to do, I have to find at what time the acceleration was 0. Okay, if I can find at what time the acceleration is 0, my velocity will be maximum at that point. Okay, because it is increasing, increasing, increasing. Acceleration 0, body's velocity is constant now. So that is the constant velocity is basically the maximum velocity. Okay, right. So first of all, acceleration equals to 8 minus 40, right? So acceleration is 0. 8 minus 4t, minus 40 will be shifted over here. 40 equals to 8, t equals to 2 seconds. So it means at t equals to 2 seconds, acceleration was 0. So taking this 2 seconds and putting it over here, v equals to 8, 2 minus 2, 2 square. V equals to 8 to the 16 minus 2 square will be 4, 4 to the 8, 16 minus 8 will be 8 meter per second. So that was the highest velocity the body has reached during the motion from O to A.